I begin to block in my dark trees using a dark sap green mixture and jump up to the clouds, blocking in the large masses. I've added where my brightest light, where that yellow is peeking out. I'd like to establish that early. Continue on blocking in the big shapes, dark values on them. Adding sky color helps you recognize your values. Working in some variation of color for excitement and movement within the sky. There will be a lot of softening along edges, jumping down into the sunset area, the horizon, bringing in the warm colors, working out those sun rays, softening that bright light area, and then moving on to this distant canyon vista. This is at the Grand Canyon. As I work those in, similar color and value, just a little bit lighter than those clouds. Back up in the sky, adding some silver lining or light along the edges. Then back down into the foreground, building the cliffs, the front, the darks, the front, ledges, and still working out some of the distant. Just keep working it, modeling in shapes and form. I think about shapes, I think about form. There you go. Join me on the creative journey. Click the link below and receive my teaching newsletters every 2 weeks.